The thing that got me here, I'm a stubborn man. I'd been having shoulder issues, small, go back to the year 2000. I've not thrown a ball overhand in 23 years, but it finally got to a point where I couldn't do deodorant on my other arm. It hurt to reach across, it hurt to brush my teeth. So I went to see Dr. Woods, our team doctor at Jefferson High School. And Dr. Woods, again, referred me to Dr. Barrett. Our trainer, Caroline Hicks, said that Barrett was the best. I've never had a surgery in my life. I broke an ankle one time, who cares? Many moons ago, so the surgery was concerning at my age, but it's been awesome.
Coach suffers from what many adults suffer from, which is arthritis of the shoulder. Usually the first thing that tells them that there's a problem is pain, discomfort, and maybe activities are altered, including activities of daily living, problems sleeping at night, and really not being able to do the activities they used to do. We really try to treat this non-operatively or without surgery. Things like injections, anti-inflammatories, physical therapy to try to get you better without surgery. And the joke is that if we get you better without surgery, we win too. For patients that still have terrible arthritis or pain, there are surgical options. One of those is total joint replacement, or what we call shoulder arthroplasty, where we switch the arthritic joint for metal and plastic to give them a better quality of life, decrease pain, and hopefully get them back to doing what they were doing before.
I actually had my surgery. I did my MRI in Gainesville. Had my surgery in NGMC in Barrow. That was as relaxing an experience. Yeah, I know they knock you out, I get it. You get the nerve block, you go to sleep, you wake up, next thing I know, I'm in the truck riding home. But everything leading up to that, from the doctor to the nurse to the anesthesiologist, just put my mind at ease. But everything at NGMC Barrow was outstanding. The advice I would give anybody even that's worried or gonna have to go through this, relax. They are professionals. They know what they're doing. They care about you. You're not gonna be a number. You're gonna be an actual face with a name, with feelings. I'm not the most sympathetic, empathetic person in the world. I'm hard on it, people around me. I'm hard on myself, but just relax and not enjoy the process, but trust the process and know that at the end of that long road, you're going to be glad you did.